as the Russian army is in general very poor in retrieving their lost or damaged equipment, as Russian troops rather leave the equipment than recapture it. In this more rare instance, where a BREM armored evacuation vehicle was towing a Russian tank with a cope cage, the Ukrainian drone army felt insulted, as it's their mission to clean the battlefield of Russian equipment, causing this Ukrainian FPV drone with an RPG warhead to home in on the BREM vehicle, striking it perfectly, causing an internal fire as both of the vehicle kept rolling. As the BREM vehicle finally got too much damage, halting the vehicles to a stop, new FPV drones came to completely destroy the damaged tank, leaving nothing left for Russia to recapture, destroying another 2 vehicles, leaving 2 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.